Let's solve this together. It says 9 raised to the power x dot 9 raised to the power x is equal to 243. Okay, you're required to solve for the value or values of x in this equation. Okay, now first things first, you can say that when we have dot is simply equal to multiplication. Okay, so we have dot to multiply. Alright, now this will now become 9 raised to the power x multiplied by 9 raised to the power x, okay, to be equal to 243. That's how you read it. Now 9 raised to the power x times 9 raised to the power x, when you have this, you can say let's add the powers because the bases are the same. So we have 9 raised to the power x plus x is 2x to be equal to 243. Okay. Now from here we can say 9 is equal to 3 squared. So I can say that this is 3 squared raised to the power of 2x to be equal to 243. Now from the law of indices, we have that when we have a raised to the power m raised to the power of n, it's equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. Okay, applying that law here, we now have 3 raised to the power 2 times 2x, okay, to be equal to, now 243 can be written as 3 raised to the power 5. Okay, from here we now have 2 times 2x is 4x, so we have 3 raised to the power 4x to become equal to 3 raised to the power 5. Okay, we can see that when the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. So since 3 is equal to 3, we can say that 4x becomes equal to 5. Okay, from here we now have as x is equal to 5 over 4, and this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.